Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Saitama INU on Trust Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to buy Saitama INU on Trust Wallet, tap open your Trust Wallet application first and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged into your account, tap on dApps option at the bottom of this page. This will open up your dApp browser. Now select Uniswap interface from the options displayed. This will take you to app.uniswap.org. Tap on select a token drop down in red and search for Saitama INU and tap on the import button right next to Saitama INU Token. Click on import one more time and type in the amount of Saitama you'd like to buy right where you can see in the second text box. Now, once you do that, you can tap on the swap button, but in my wallet, since I don't have sufficient Ethereum balance, it's not showing me the option. If you do, you'll be able to tap on swap button. On the next page, you'll get to confirm your transaction, and that is how you can easily buy Saitama INU on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.